Sup with Thursdays. Loading, 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 Right. Nope. Pretty good at this game. Woohoo! Jump for coin. No! At least we get some groovy music here. See, wonder what word we're next. Please. Once I complete cave, I'm gonna end the video. Oh no! How much money have I got? Oh. I'm gonna pick a new person. I don't really like this boy. There's a girl that I really like and I bought her. Missing. Why do I keep doing that? Right. Need to find A, V, and D. I only need Z and A. That was just bad. I need 2 more letters. Then we'll do a little more rhymes then. Oh, I didn't get the bits. I don't really like the bits anyway. They ruin it whenever you jump right over the coins. Whoa. Once the E goes yellow, that's me. Then I'll do a final round after that. And that'll be it. It's not a quick video today. Because I'm running all these little buses, I'm gonna get caught by the policeman. I mean, in the game. Maybe a little, I don't know how much minutes, about 10-minute video. Guys. I wanted to die there so I could see what I get, see what I get. My eyes are shut. Do I really want 499 of them? TFO. Pausing this. got another one. And my final round, guys. See how long I last. I see something. What's this? Woo! I nearly ended that video there. Right. Bye-bye, guys.